Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. For many of you, it's been a very wet overnight. Almost everybody has seen at least some rain out there through the overnight. There's still some ongoing activity this morning in eastern Nebraska. Let's take you to your future cast here. Again, most of this activity is now going to be east of Highway 281 for much of the rest of the morning hours. Clouds are trying to clear up out towards the west. Winds are going to be a bit breezy today, and it will be fairly mild. Depends on where you live, though. With those clouds lasting longer in the east, temps probably upper 60s to lower 70s. To the west, though, we could see some 80s, probably a lot of 70s for most of us for today. And one thing we'll have to watch for, this upper level lows up there in western South Dakota and moving eastward, we could see some wraparound moisture with this, some redeveloping thunderstorms with the heating of the day later today. So there is a chance for an isolated shower or storm later today, with the best chance in northern Nebraska. And that will continue into the evening and overnight hours as you see that push eastward this evening. And that pushes into eastern Nebraska by tomorrow morning. So again, other than maybe a light lingering shower or storm early tomorrow morning, I think most of us will kind of dry things out. The sun works its way back out, and it will be a warm one for your Wednesday. Temps back up into the upper 70s and lower 80s, and that trend's going to continue. Dry conditions and warm conditions even for this time of the year, heading through the rest of the week right into the upcoming weekend. We'll talk about that here in just a bit. So for today, again, these temps all kind of hinge on the amount of sunshine you'll see today. So I got a pretty wide range out there, going with upper 60s, low to mid 70s up north, an early thunder shower, and then the early shower, I should say, and then the possibility of a late day shower or thunderstorm. Same story out towards the west, kind of a late day thunderstorm possible on an isolated basis. Warmer conditions, upper 70s, low to mid 80s for afternoon highs. I think we'll see more sunshine out there. Anything from low 70s to low 80s in the southern parts of the viewing area as showers clear out, and then we'll see a chance of some thunderstorms, an isolated chance later today. To the east, the best chance of morning showers lingering, and that's going to keep clouds around a little bit longer. That also means cooler conditions, upper 60s and low to mid 70s in the eastern part of the viewing area. And keep in mind, all areas are going to see a little bit of a breeze out of the south and southeast today. Could be up a little bit over 20 miles per hour at times. So overnight and tonight into early tomorrow morning, still an isolated shower and thunderstorm possibility, then drying things out pretty quickly on Wednesday. 81 degrees for your high. After that, we got low 80s for Thursday and Friday. Lots of sunshine. The winds try to kick back up a little bit for Friday right through the upcoming weekend into early next week. The weekend looks very nice right now. Highs close to 80 degrees both days. Chance of showers and storms returns. Slight chance on Sunday night. A little bit better chance as we get towards next Monday into Monday night. And indications are, as of right now, again, these next 7 days are going to be at or above normal. Beyond the 7-day forecast, sometime around October 2nd or 3rd, early October there, it looks like maybe a bigger cool down could be in store for much of the area, kind of like what we saw during the middle parts of September, around that 11th, 12th, 13th time frame when we saw that big cool down. We may see something like that as we get towards early portions of October. But for now, looking pretty good across much of the area. We get the rain today, dries out, and then we see pretty nice conditions much of the rest of the week right through the upcoming weekend, including for those of you that are heading towards that night game out in Lincoln as the Huskers take on the Fighting Illini of Illinois. So there's your forecast for this Tuesday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great day.